right, we continue with the severe weather alert. Obviously, beautiful morning underway right now. Our Newport camera in our weather window shows the sun and high clouds mixing, and on the satellite behind us, HENRI is still off the southeast U.S. coastline, but starting to move northward at a faster pace. Here's a live view again of Newport, and all is calm in the Providence River and in the upper part of Narragansett Bay. We've got the hurricane barrier in view there. The I-way roadways are dry, and we've had a warm and humid start to the day. 72 degrees, dew points running at 70. A couple of isolated showers well to the north of us and well south of us. In between, we've got some sunshine for today. All eyes on HENRI as that storm expected to strengthen to a hurricane just below hurricane strength right now with 70-mile-an-hour sustained winds moving north at 12 miles per hour. We're going to be watching the track very closely today. We expect it to head mostly north or even northwestward by later in the evening and nighttime hours. And notice the forecast still has this strengthening with 80-mile-per-hour sustained winds later tonight, making landfall late morning or midday in Long Island. Now, there's still some question. How close to our coastline will it be? The cone of uncertainty still extends to Block Island and westerly, and then as far to the west as western Long Island and near New York City. So our computer models are still kind of trying to iron that out. That'll make a big difference on how strong our winds are and our storm surge potential. And then the forecast track has this system lifting over western Connecticut, western Massachusetts. It's a weakening system, but still a tropical storm on Sunday night. Here's the position Monday afternoon, Monday night, and then as we head into Tuesday and Tuesday night, that finally starts to move out of New England. So kind of a slow mover over New England early in the week. So our threat tracker is going to be in the high category for tomorrow. Today, though, a good day to continue those preparations. Mix of clouds and sunshine, warm, humid, temperatures in the middle 80s. We will see a moderate current risk, especially later in the day at our area beaches. The surf still at about 4 feet. That'll climb significantly tonight and tomorrow. And that's when we start to see the showers tonight as well. Increasing winds out of the east, 15 to 25 miles per hour with some higher gusts. So this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There's just a low risk for an isolated shower, otherwise partly cloudy skies. This is midnight, still mainly dry, but the outer bands of HENRI starting to push towards our area, and around this time tomorrow morning, likely to start to see those rounds of downpours, gusty winds, and embedded thunderstorms. This is at noon on Sunday, and you can see that system continuing to push towards the eastern Long Island area or even near Block Island. So this particular computer model is a little bit further to the east. Sunday, 6 o'clock in the evening, still has some heavy rain and some strong winds locally, and that'll continue that threat into Sunday night as that storm system continues to lift northward on Monday, those lingering showers. This is just one computer model's take on the winds for tomorrow. It has a sustained between 20 and 35 miles per hour with those damaging wind gusts possible. Those stronger wind gusts will start to arrive early in the morning along the coastline and then start to spread inland through the later morning and afternoon hours. We're talking a longer duration than we would typically see with a system like this. The highest winds could be gusting as high as 50 to 70 miles per hour along the coastline, less inland rainfall amounts. For our area, going to be highly dependent on the position of the track of the storm, but could see isolated amounts to 3 to 6 inches. Here's a big problem: the storm surge, 3 to 5 foot storm surge, especially at the Sunday evening high tide cycles, and that's between about 8 and 10 p.m. tomorrow night. That's when we're really going to be watching for that storm surge. 3 to 5 feet is significant for southern New England. Looking at our 7-day forecast, lingering showers Monday, warm and humid, Brittany, as we end the work week. So a lot to keep our eye on as we watch HENRI lifting northward today.
Yeah, and of course, if you want more of a breakdown on HENRI, some more of those graphics, things like that, you can head over to WPRI.com. We have a full article for you guys over there.